How drones can optimize last-mile delivery logistics. What if your next package doesn't arrive in a van, but from the sky? Drones are no longer futuristic toys. They're becoming the fastest, smartest solution to the biggest challenge in logistics: last-mile delivery. The last mile is the most expensive, time-consuming part of the delivery chain, often making up over 50% of total shipping costs. Traffic, inefficiencies, and failed deliveries cost businesses billions. But drones are changing that. Here's how drone technology is optimizing last-mile logistics. 1. Speed and efficiency. Drones bypass road congestion entirely, flying direct to the customer. They reduce delivery times from hours to minutes, perfect for high-priority goods like medicine, documents, or food. 2. Cost savings. Autonomous drones cut labor, fuel, and vehicle maintenance costs. For low-weight, high-volume items, they offer a scalable, cost-effective alternative to traditional fleets. 3. Reach and accessibility. Drones can deliver to rural, remote, or disaster-hit areas where trucks and bikes struggle. They're ideal for communities with poor infrastructure or limited access. 4. Eco-friendly impact. Electric-powered drones produce zero emissions, helping companies meet sustainability targets and reduce their carbon footprint per delivery. 5. Real-time tracking and data. Smart drones are equipped with GPS and IoT sensors, offering real-time location tracking, weather adaptation, and optimized flight paths, ensuring precise, safe, and reliable delivery. Implementation starts with pilot zones, corporate campuses, hospitals, or controlled neighborhoods, before scaling to larger markets. Regulatory compliance is critical, so partner with certified drone operators and stay updated on FAA or local drone laws. From warehouse to doorstep, drones are redefining the last mile. Want to stay ahead in logistics and tech innovation? Like, comment, and subscribe for more future-ready insights delivered straight to you. No shipping required.